All right, you've done it, haven't you? You've actually Googled how to change your under microwave light. They're burned out. I've got a solution for you. Welcome to my channel. Do-it-yourself home projects, solutions, nothing is off limits. I'm a huge cheapskate trying to save a buck. This is one of the easiest jobs. Your microwave obviously might be different, so please read your instruction, owner's manual, before doing so. In this case, we've got two lights, and they are both secured with a screw. So I'll need a screwdriver to back that screw out, and then we're going to unscrew the light bulb. Hopefully the base did not detach from the glass part. If it's been sitting in there a really long time, it's possible it may have. Hopefully not. If it has, you might have to get creative, or certainly you could YouTube search or Google search how to remove a broken base. But we'll get a new one, and I'll put links down below for the ones that I like. You can pick these up online or at the local hardware store. Bring in the old one and ask an associate or employee to find you the exact match if you are having a hard time finding it. So you want the wattage and the base, the bulb base size to be exact. Obviously, you don't want it to not fit once you get it home. So in this case, we have a match, and we'll test it out before we secure things back up. And that little screw, by the way, if you don't have a magnetic screwdriver, it might, as you're backing it out or trying to screw it in, it might wiggle on you and fall. So be careful. You might want to put a towel on your stovetop so it doesn't cause any damage upon impact if it does slip or get away from you. So that would be a little tip, but for the most part, it's a really simple job. You just screw that back in, test it out one more time, make sure everything is good, and then we'll do the same to the other side. We'll do this in real time. Really easy. Switch out the old one, and the old one should look cloudy or even blackened a little bit. It's a pretty good indicator, besides the obvious fact that it's not working, right? But put the old one in. Screw it in snugly and securely, and we'll get that screwdriver and the screw. One little tip here, you can see how I'm positioning the screw with one finger on the end of the screwdriver and bring it up. Since you're, going against gravity here, you can kind of put that on, hold it in place with your finger, and then guide it up into the appropriate hole there. That would be a little easier. So we are good to go. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Click that like button if it has, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more regular do-it-yourself home projects and solutions. Thanks.